Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video we're doing this easy tuna fish pie recipe. I've peeled and chopped 4 potatoes and I've put those in some salted water. I'm going to put them on the hob to boil for around about 20 minutes. Next we're going to add 250 grams of cream cheese to a saucepan, followed by 60 millilitres of single cream. Then we're going to keep stirring until it's nice and smooth and there's no lumps of cream cheese left. Once it's all nice and smooth, we're going to add in some salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, the juice of 1 lemon, 200 grams of sweetcorn, 300 grams of tuna, this is tinned tuna, and finally 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now we're going to give that a really good stir through to make sure everything's mixed together. We're now going to add the sauce mixture to a baking dish, and as always you'll find the written recipe for this in the description box below the video. And now we're just going to top the sauce mixture with the potato from earlier, which I've mashed with some butter and a splash of milk. We're just going to smooth the potato out so that it completely covers the sauce. Then we're going to sprinkle on some cheese. I'm using red Leicester, but you can use any cheese you want. And it needs baking in the oven on 180, gas mark 6, for around about 25 minutes. And that's how you cook a really easy tuna fish pie. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy meals and recipes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.